everybody, welcome to Promar production facility. Today we would like to show you the performance of our milling equipment, CNC milling machine by Promar. Welcome. If you're interested in the subject, please give this video a like to help us increase its audience. Thank you. So we open the image on the computer, we position it on the stone. Now we set the surface inclination by 3 points. Now we transfer the image to the machine. Once the transfer is complete, we can turn off the connection with machine and it becomes fully autonomous. It can run by itself. It does not need connection with the computer. These are some of the images created with the CNC milling machine by Promar, just to give you a quick overview of what it can do. This is an example of work created by a CNC milling machine by Promar. This image is about 20 centimeters tall. Please note the fine details, the skin, hair. Why is this CNC machine right for you? From our experience, it has the characteristics that allow it to cover the major part of your milling jobs. It enables you to carve both stone and wood with a simple change of a cutter. The quality that it offers is superb. Note the precise detailing of finest elements in the simple jobs presented here. No final touch by hand was ever applied. All these images 100% machine work. It is very easy to set up and to run. This machine is likely to very soon become your favorite tool. It is affordable. Thank you very much for watching. We are finished for today. If you like what you saw, please give this video a like. Visit our website, the link is below. Come back again. Thank you. Please visit our website or get in touch with us via email. For more frequent updates on what we do, please follow us on Instagram and/or Facebook.